Hey folks, Larry here, mail call time. So, hey, it's going to be a little bit about this and that. Oh, if you're wondering what this thing is, you've heard of Frankenstein back in the day. Well, I'm figuring if it worked for Frankenstein, then it's got to work for the Pen Bug Man, right? The guy, the man, the bleh. Here it is. So, it's a little called the 10 unit. I have 3 different styles. And it's on my spine and wherever. So anyway, that's what that's about. So here we go. We're going to start with number 1 box and see what's in it. So we can get it all going on here, and as I cut my hand off. Right. Okay, here we go. All right. So now this one here is from a friend of mine. And he's also a squirrel guy. But see, he's got flying squirrels. I've got like tree squirrels, regular squirrels, but they're cool. So, let's open this box and take the stuff out, throw it on the floor, because there's another box. Oh, okay. Anything in there, Mr. Announcer?
No, nothing left in here.
Alright, so I'm going to open it like this. Okay. Alright, thank you, Dan. I wonder what it is. Like I don't know, right?
Is there anything in there that you can share with me?
Well, I don't know. I'll have to see. Well, you know, September's going to be here pretty soon, and that means the Dallas Pen Show is going to be coming up. So, God willing, if I'm in okay health, I want to go come hell or high water. Here we go. Here we go. And we got a lot of bags. I like that. Thank you. Thank you. A lot of trick-or-treats. Oh, look at here.
Yeah, I'll put them in this box.
This is for you, Mr. Announcer. Dan sent this to you. Look.
Oh, that's cool. Yes.
Thank you, Dan. That's so nice of you. Now, here we go.
I like peanuts.
Good. Well, you can have that. Okay. So, here, my friend. It's what's left of the, well, his wife made us some brownies, and, the box was turned upside down, and the brownies kind of broke, but we're going to eat them.
I'll take them.
Wait, they're not all yours.
Oh.
But wait, we got another batch.
Ooh.
My God. Now, these are in pretty good shape. We're going to have to salvage all these. We're going to eat these regardless. They can come crushed up or whatever. So, and I'll read the note later. Hold on, we got one more. Oh, we got some frosting if we want to put it on there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we got some more frosting. If we want to put it on there. Okay.
Okay.
And we got another card to read. Okay. So, looking through all this. Wow. Okay.
Okay, so something new for mail call.
And you know, when we get through with this mail call, you know we're going to get into it, right? That's going to happen. Like, quickly. Okay. Now, I got a letter from a friend of mine named Norm from Australia. Hello, Norm from Australia. Norm! And I got a insurance bill for the car insurance. All right, that's a lot of fun. All right. So, are you ready? Here we go. Now, I will keep his name silent. And I will not mention it came from blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. There. Okay. I'm just going to do it like that. There. And I'm going to do it like that. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. These are Jinhao 159s. Pretty cool. And these pens here are immaculate kept. and they have been cleaned thoroughly. So when I do a review to show everybody, I'll show you the pins. And we got some more pins here. More pins here. I think this could be some 992s. 992s. Of course, there's a note down there, 992. Because my friend, he likes extra fine nibs, right? So he buys these pins and he changes out nibs, and he does a good job. And we got some more 992s. We got a different, I have to look at that. Then we got a, ooh, that's a cool one. All right, so then we got this, and that has some more. These have some preppies. And we got a fresh bag, made daily, of rickshaw stickers. All right, and I'll read the note later. Okay, thank you. And you know who I'm talking to, buddy. All right, yeah, because I know a bunch of people I can send pins to now. All right, here we go. We got one more, I think. Well, we got two more. Do you really want to see what's in here? What do you think?
It might be interesting.
All right.
Besides, when have we ever done anything normal?
Yeah, okay, this is not a normal mail call. Because I'm not normal! All right, here we go. Here we go. As I tear up what was inside. No, I didn't. Phew, almost did. It says blah, blah, blah. Okay? And it is a pair of blue jeans! Blah, blah. There. You wanted to see, didn't you? Okay. All right. So now, back to some more mail call. I'm just going to show you the pen. And then later, I will do a full review on this pen, as I will on the other pens. Okay? So here we go. And I want to thank Lena at Pen Boutique. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, people, as you know, already the virus is starting to escalate again. And I have friends in India as well that one buddy let me know that his mom passed away from COVID. So I want to send my respects out to him. I won't mention any names just in case. So, you know, India and other countries need our help. If the government can't help them, we the citizens, the people of the U.S., we can try to do something. So if you can donate or help out in India or wherever, please. Thank you. So let's open this box. La 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 la. I wonder what it is. I know what it is, but I still wonder. Okay, see, I didn't make a noise, did I? Hold on, let me put my meter up a little bit. Okay, I'm at 11.5. All right. All right, well, you get to Jolly Rogers.
Oh, I'll take it.
Oh, wow, there it goes. Pen Boutique sends Jolly Rogers, and Mr. Announcer takes them away from me. And they send me a message. Oh, so sweetly. Lena, thank you. And it's right here. Like-a-lick-a-la, like-a-lick-a-la. All right. And then it says like-a-lick-a-la-la, like-a-lick-a-la, la, la, la. Okay, here we go. The best part of waking up is opening your box. Well, first of all, right here in this box is Sailor. And I'm going to leave it just like that till I get the review going. And it's going to be awesome what's inside this box. Now, if you kept up with my channel years ago, I've talked about this, I've mentioned this pen, but I've never got it because I was scared to jump out of the box. So I went ahead and did it. I've heard good and bad things about it. You know, we all are different opinions and different likes and dislikes, but I'm the guy that says, you know what? If I don't get out of the box, I'm never going to know what's out there, right? So I have to get that own taste in my mouth, in my brain, in my soul, so I can let you know my feelings about this pen. You probably already heard hundreds of reviews, and that is cool dynamite. I haven't seen any of them. Mine will be my own fresh review on this awesome fountain pen. So, uno más. Let's see. All right. And we still got one more box, Mr. Announcer. You know that?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we have one more box left that Dan, the squirrel man, sent. Now, when I saw this, I said, Lena, please. And I was just thinking Lena was going to send me a sample, right? No, not Lena, bless her heart. Good lady. She really is. She really is a good lady. Yep. So, as I rush to get this open, here it is. Oh my God. I can't wait to taste this. Mr. Announcer, do the honors and read that.
This is Mont Blanc Ink Scarlet Red.
And that's the color I anticipate it's going to come out with. Wow. I don't know about you, but I do love Mont Blanc inks. There's some I don't really care for a lot, but the majority I like, as of other inks. We're all the same way, right? Right. So, all right. Last but not least. Now, I have no idea what this is. But, only one way to find out, isn't it? All right, Mr. Announcer. If I cut myself, don't call 911. Call my friend out there, Sam, the big fat squirrel. He'll help me. Yep. One of my squirrels named Sam, really Sam too, because the first Sam, what happened to him, we don't see him anymore because, seriously, he got so fat. I guess he passed away or got killed or something. Poor guy. He would eat and eat and eat. So there's another squirrel out there named Sam. And he's doing the same thing. Eat, eat. He just sits there, and one of the little squirrel feeders that Dan sent me two of them. A small one, where I can put a corn on the cob and food in there, and then a bigger one, put a corn on the cob and food in there. And I tell you what, these guys eat like kings and queens because they're my sweeties, my babies, and Mr. and Miss Duck, and their friends, and the birds, and the bluebirds, and we've had 6 bluebirds. Now 6 that come down and eat. They've had their babies. So, welcome to Larry's world, okay? So, this is a fountain pen. Look at this big old fountain pen. Wow! Oh my Lord, look. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, look at this. Is this cool? A cane. So, now, I think one of those letters will tell me, I don't think there's anything else in there. Here, chicken, okay, chicken. Okay, I'm trying to read. Unless it's just something that he marked the bag with, you know. Probably got some chicken stuff or something in here. Chicken. You can eat the back. Well, Ken, can we finish so we can eat brownies? What do you think? All right, so, hey, Lena from Pin Boutique, thank you. Thank you. And Mr. Anonymous, thank you. And Mr. Dan the Squirrel Guy, thank you. And Mr. Me, the greatest guy in the whole wide world! I am powered up and I am pumped and I'm ready and I'm vibrant and we're going to be doing some serious pins business next week. I'm going to go back to old school. Old school. Check it out. Peace, love, be kind to a stranger out there, okay? And as always, don't text and drive. Peace out and love. That was